Well, thank you all for coming. I'm here to tell you a little bit about the work that we've been doing with the Department of Justice. As you know, we passed a resolution number 112-17, declaring West Palm Beach a welcoming city. We have always stated that we would comply with all state and federal laws, and that's actually part of the resolution. And our intention was always to obey all state and federal laws. The DOJ, Department of Justice, put us on their list of 23 and threatened to hold back federal funding because of this. We in turn filed suit for declaratory relief, stating that we've always believed that our resolution was lawful. We met with the DOJ and explained to them that we believed our resolution was lawful, and we came to a settlement that would we would send a letter to our employees reiterating what was already in the resolution, that they were to comply with all state and federal laws. This is nothing new. It was exactly what was in the resolution. DOJ said if we sent this letter, then they would take us off of their list of 23. We agreed to that. And as a result, withdrew our suit for declaratory relief, declaratory judgment. I have just seen today a press release by the DOJ that has stated that we have agreed to settle to avoid unfavorable court ruling. That couldn't be farther from the truth. They have promulgated a set of lies that do not reflect our discussion with them. I'm deeply disappointed because we worked with them in good faith. We are, at this point, we feel we are in compliance, and we will continue to move forward. We will continue to be a welcoming city, and we will continue to obey all state and federal laws. I am, as I said, deeply disappointed that the Department of Justice would feel that they would say that there was an unfavorable ruling. Also, an official said that since the Trump administration sued California for their sanctuary policies, California jurisdictions are tripping over themselves to create distance from the Governor Brown's dangerous policies, and now West Palm Beach is instructing its employees to cooperate with ICE in order to avoid loss in courts. Absolutely not true. We have always stated that our resolution was lawful, and we just reiterated that in an email to our employees. Okay, questions?
Are we a sanctuary city?
We are a welcoming city. We want people to feel that they are welcome here in West Palm Beach, that they could come to the police and safely talk to our police officers. They could come to City Hall, safely get the help that they need.
The language of the memo says that you may share. Does that mean that everybody will share information with the feds?
If we have a court order or warrant to ask for that information, we will share it.
But you won't freely give it up?
We don't have it. If we have it, we will share it if there's a warrant for that.
Could you explain, just for people watching, what the difference is between the resolution declaring us a welcoming city and what some other places have done as sanctuary cities? What's the difference?
I'm not going to speak about what other cities have done. I can only tell you what we've done.
But in the event that someone's asked to come in and talk to an officer, they're not told, oh, you have to present an ID or anything like that. Is that what you mean by a welcoming city?
Correct. We're not aggressively and proactively checking immigration status.
Why not?
Because it's not our job. It's the job of the federal government.
How do you feel about settling the case?
I'm angry right now because I thought we had a mutual agreement to settle this and that we were working in a cooperative manner, and this statement absolutely negates that. So I'm not happy.
I'm not sure I understand completely, Mayor, though, what you're so angry about. Can you spell it out and even
They've misrepresented what we've said. We didn't settle this because we felt like we were going to lose the case in court. No. So they've misrepresented the settlement.
So then why did we settle it?
We settled it so that we could get our federal funding.
Did they actually take our federal funding away for a short period of time?
I can't give you the exact answer to that, but we'll check on that
How
for you.
vital is this federal funding? and
It's,
what do we use
it's,
it for? What do we use it for?
we did not, we typically get funding for COPS grant. We did not get COPS grant this year, I can tell you that. Whether it was directly connected to this, I don't know.
How much money did we not get?
I don't know.
What
We
was
can
it?
find that out for you.
Next steps, what happens next, or there's a settlement, it's not what you.
Yeah, at
agreed
this
upon,
point-
but There's a settlement.
Yeah, at this point, there's a settlement. We will be talking with our lawyers about how to address this misrepresentation.
Did you send lawyers up to Washington, or their DOJ people came down here? You said you met with the Department of Justice.
Our legal team met with the Department of Justice. I believe it was here. We had representation here.